Hi guys, so today I would like to show you how to create pivot tables and how to use pivot tables in analyzing the data. As of now, you can see I have a table that is, we can say it's a sales data, and here it's a header. We call it as a header. It's date, region. It's south, northeast, west, center, and here the we can say it's employee name like Robin Milan, Jay, Sonam Milas, etc. Here I would like to show you its pencil name. I mean pencil, eraser, pen, and it's just like an item. Which item is there? It's you can say of school data. Here is the quantity sold. All right, it's unit cost. So unit cost means it's per unit cost of the pencil. It's 225, etc. It's a total cost. It's just a multiplication of unit cost into the quantity. So it's 95 into 2, it's 190 rupees. Right. So let's say as of now, we don't know what is the pivot table. So how do we use this data? Like I would like to know how much quantity was sold by this Robin of pencil. And so what I'll do, I'll just use the filter in normal case. I'm just using the shortcut. It's Then I'll go ahead and select the Robin and then enter. So here I comes. Now I just want to know only pencils. So I'll just again go ahead and select the pencil under item names. Now I got the quantity. It's 95 on the date of 6 Jan 21, and then 35 on the date of 15th August 2021. So it's a total. Here you can see in the status bar it's 130. All right, so 130 quantity. That's how we do analyze the data. And on the 6th Jan we sold 95 and 35, and total is 190 and 170 rupees sale, and total sale value is 365. Okay, so that's how we use in a normal way. That's not the sufficient because it's a very small data set. In any organization, you have to work on a very large data set. It may be around 10,000 rows or 12,000 rows, 50,000 rows, or just 500 rows. It depends upon the data. Okay, so this is not the right approach. So what if like you are the employer and your manager has asked to make a summary? So as in a traditional market, you just have to go one by one, like Robin, and then again it's Melon, and then you have to write one by one, like Robin sold how many quantity. It's like item pencil, and a Robin sold, we'll check again, Robin and pencil, 130. 130 cases, same as we'll check for Miller. So it's a very old method. It's not a good method. So to solve these problems, we have the concept of pivot tables. So what we'll do, we'll just select the data, and then we'll go to insert, and then pivot table from table range. From this table only I would like to select. Okay, this table, and here it is showing me the dialog box. It's table arrange. It's just creating as table one, and now it is asking me uh, where I want to uh, pivot table to be placed. So I would like to place in the new worksheet, not in existing. So I'll just click on OK. I'll just make it small zoom. Okay, now it is showing me to build a report, choose fields from the pivot table field list. So it is the area where my report will be generated. And on the right side, it's the field list. We call it as a field list. It's a, you can see here it's a date, region, name, item, quantity, unit cost, total. It is nothing, just the header name. Here you can see on the right side, you can see on my mouse cursor, it's a filter. It's just like a filter we used in the normal data. It's a column. So we uh, put split data into some rows and columns so that we can analyze easily. It's the values. That's a numerical values. We can here it's the norm values, numerical values. We can sum and average, etc. So what we'll do, we'll just put the name here in rows, okay, and then uh, I would like to put the reason in the filter, all right, and then quantity I would like to put in the field list, and what else? Uh, that's it as of now. So as you can see here, it is showing me the summary of this data set. Like Amit sold the total number of quantities 183, Howard 125, Jay 281, Milan 193, Peter 117, Elias this, and this. So total quantity is 2121 quantity. If you want to know the total cost as well, then you can select total. No. Now you can see the total sale value also done by the respective employees. Like Amit sold 183 quantity with a total sale value of 450. It's just the summing up the data. So as of now, you can see it's just the data of all reason, right? It's showing all. We can filter it out. Click on this, and if you want only like East data, just click on East, and then OK. Now it will show you the summary of East data only. Only in East, only three employees are there who made up this sale. 125 quantity, total is 699 and 6,000 rupees sale. Now we will check for the West. It is showing up the value of 142, 1285, Raju 89, 1204. Total is 231 quantity and 2,489 rupees sale value. Now, if you want, just I'll just remove the filters. I'll just select it as a all. Now let's say you want some item details as well. Like you want to know which employee has, like Amit sold how many items. So now it is showing the data as a compact. We'll just select this as a tabular form and then remove the subtotals, and we'll just repeat all item labels. We'll just select it as all item labels, and now we can select, you can see it's the product name. Amit, it is always coming in the order value alphabetically in normal case. Like Amit has sold eraser of 28 quantity, 140 value, and pencil. This Howard J, and if you want, then total as well. Like this. So here you can see we can use pivot table very easily to sum up the data. Alright guys, and if you can change it in any form, you can use unit cost as well here. If you want to remove quantity, you can remove it. If you want to just see unit cost, you want to remove total, it will show you. So it is just summing up the total value. Okay. And let's say now you would like to present in a different way. You don't want to use reason in a filter, and you want to split the data in reason wise. So what we'll do, we'll just remove it, all the data. And what we'll just do, we'll just select reason into the rows, all right, and quantity is into the column values. Sorry. So here you can see it's a reason wise data. It is very good summary in presenting, like central around close to 1200 quantity, east 691, and west 231. Total is same 2121. So it is just summing up the data, presenting in a good way, and analyze in a different ways to showcase your data. You can use date as well. You want to see sale of 15 March, put it date in a filter and select the 15 March. You'll show the date. Best in West Zone on date 15th, only 56 quantity was sold. And if I would like to remove West, I want to know the employee name. I'll just select the employee name. It was the Nilesh who made the sale value, I mean sale quantity of 56 on 15th of March. Select a different date like 1st April. You can get the value of 60 quantity and it is sold by Robin. Alright. So you can see we can analyze the data in a pivot table very easily, which is very difficult in this raw data because it's a large, when there is a large number of data we cannot easily analyze unless it's a pivot table.